Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com.au and get it done with Diggermate.
So we're just going to talk about the controls of an excavator. Over here, your red lever is your safety. It needs to be up to start and down to operate. The machine won't do either in the wrong position. Your joysticks, on this side here, forward and back here is your boom up and down. Right and left is your scoop and dump, or your crowel and tip on the buckets. On this side, forward and back is in and out on the boom, and left and right will turn the whole machine around on the turntable. Over here is your Dozer Blade, so up and down on your Dozer Blade. Green button on this particular machine is your second gear, or your rabbit gear if you need to go long distance in a straight line. Throttle is over here, so revs up and revs down. You'll keep the revs up for most of the day when you're on the machine. Revs down is generally used when you're changing a bucket or doing tight little moves. On this machine, your two tracks are just controlled by the joysticks right here. Some machines have them with foot pedals as well, but in this particular case, just two forward, two back, one for each side of the machine, so one for each track. You turn like this and obviously drive forward and back. Finally, your foot pedals. Right and left on here is your slew. So this makes the boom swing independent of the machine. Okay, so that's off this pivot right here in front of us. Left and right on this pedal is for your attachments. This controls your hydraulics. If you've ever got an auger on or a rock breaker, this one here, left and right, will control the attachments. In this particular case, this machine's got a tilting head on it, so that pedal will actually control the tilting head as well.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com.au. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends, and give us a thumbs up.